So I had a couple of people asking for updates on the Silverado. I've changed the motor twice in it, and that's since the previous video where it has the original motor in it. I'm gonna have to put new main bearings and rod bearings in it and see if that fixes it. It was dumping too much gas in it. Had a lot of gas in the oil. Probably wiped a couple bearings. Old girl can't wait to get the truck going again. But put rims on it. It's got 24s. In the process of pulling this motor and seeing what's up with the transmission. If the transmission is bad or if it's the clutch or throwout bearing. But keep you posted on her. Try to do more as I go. Kind of fell out of the habit of uploading videos and stuff. You know, had a lot of shit going on in my life, but with a little bit of positive enforcement and some motivation, I'm sure I can keep it going again. So if you like this, then hit that button and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.